Here I've got MEDION Life X5004 and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, then go to the contacts and pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. In my case, Julia is without a picture, so let me customize this contact. Once you open the contact, tap on the edit icon and then tap on the profile picture tab, where you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose photo from your gallery. And this is what I will pick, choose photo. And now just select the photo that you would like to apply to this contact. Then click on crop picture. And now just customize it. You can make it smaller or bigger, it's up to you. I would like it to look this way and then click on save. And tap on confirmation mark to save the changes. As you can see, contact saved. So from now on, every time Julia will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture. And this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily add profile picture to a contact in your MEDION. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.